How to change language in Facebook. Now, the very first thing we're going to do if we want to change the language of our Facebook app into another language that is not set currently on our app, we just have to go to our settings and then scroll down to the very end until we see system and updates. So all we have to do is to tap on that and then tap on language and input. So we just have to click on that and click on language and region right here. Now we can pretty much add a language that we know of. Let's say Italian right here. Right there. So we can pretty much add the language that we are fluent in on our specific phone. So we just have to tap on change if we want to change it. And now our phone settings is currently set on another language. We can pretty much go back and forth to our language depending on how you want it to be. We can go back to English if we want to, and we can go back to Italiano if we want to. So that's how to change language in Facebook. Hope we help.